Unleash the power of Trello to transform your YouTube automation workflow from chaos to consistent, high-quality content delivery. First, let's set up your core Trello board. Create lists for each stage of your YouTube content pipeline. A common setup includes content ideas, where you'll brainstorm video topics, scripting for developing your video outlines and dialogue, and filming ready for content that's prepped for recording. When a new video idea sparks, create a card in your content ideas list. This card is your central hub for everything related to that specific video. You can add details like suggested keywords, target audience, and even attach inspiration links right within the card. Once an idea is approved, drag and drop that card into your scripting list. Inside the card, you can create checklists for script sections, add notes on talking points, and even paste in your full script as you complete sections. Tick off the checklist items. As you move through production, continue moving cards to the appropriate lists: filming, editing, thumbnails, and finally ready to publish. For each stage, utilize checklists within the cards to break down tasks. For example, in filming, your checklist might include record voiceover and film roll. In editing, it could be assemble footage and add music. Labels are your secret weapon for organization and priority. Use them to categorize cards by topic, status, or urgency. For instance, assign a high priority label to videos that need to go out quickly. You can also use labels to denote specific team members if you're working collaboratively. Don't forget promotion. Create a promotion list for post-publication tasks within these cards. Use checklists to ensure consistent promotion across all your social platforms. This systematic approach guarantees no video gets lost in the shuffle and helps maintain a regular content upload schedule. By consistently updating your Trello board and moving cards through your workflow, you create a visual roadmap of your entire YouTube automation process, leading to increased efficiency and a steady stream of engaging content for your audience.